This is hard as shit.
Ain't fucking doing it.
No.
Oh. Yeah!
15 attempts later and we've done it first.
15? More like 50.
Right, now let's try the element because
You'd have to jump it up there though. Well, let me film it. This ain't a one-handed thing. You just follow. You ain't gonna do that one-handed thing. It's just not one of them things.
yeah, that's got. Jesus Christ.
Try and approach it straight and use that bit of wood literally as your front wheels here to give it a little what?
You have to fucking jump it. Oh, mate.
The only thing is, yours ain't as long as mine, is it? When mine gets up the top, it sort of flops forward a bit. Oh, yeah. Go. Go on, that pull, round that pull.
She ain't pulling.
Oh, why ain't she pulling?
She ain't pulling. The wheels are too clogged up.
Oh.
She won't pull to the wheels. Oh, mate. And I slowed down. If I kept the same speed, she would have done it. I ain't going to get up there now.
I reckon it's doable.
It is doable. Oh, just fucking... Sorry for my language. No.
Hold there, Sean.
Yeah, You bitch. Why are you in the same...
Keeps dropping it like a wheel, doesn't it, down that hole? Maybe try the way we were trying up the left-hand side. It's too much bump, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, man. What the... What, mate?